everyone. If you're looking for the ultimate minivan, check out this 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Limited. It is loaded with features like leather heated and cooled seats, third row seating, rear entertainment, and tons more. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe and Lee Summit, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. You can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in the silver exterior color. You have your chrome outlined grille with your Chrysler badge right there in the middle. And you have your projector beam headlamps with fog lamps below. This also has a 3.6 liter V6 engine. And then looking down at your wheels, these are 20-inch alloy wheels. This also could fall under our certification. And if it does, it would be our 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain, 3-month, 3,000-mile max care coverage, and more. To learn more about that warranty, give us a call here. One of our sales advisors will be happy to get you more information about it. Your side mirrors are chrome capped, and they are powered and heated with blind spot monitoring and cross path detection, so it will alert you if there's a vehicle in your blind spot. You also have keyless entry. Looking at these front seats, we have these black leather seats that are heated and ventilated. Super comfortable. You have the perforated insert. They are both sides power adjustable. Your driver's side has memory settings, and you also have your armrests that can fold up. Then looking at your steering wheel, it is also leather wrapped and heated. You have your cluster controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls on the front with your media controls on the back. Then looking over at your media center, this is an 8.4-inch touchscreen brought to you by Uconnect. So you have your radio options here. Media settings are here, including your Uconnect theater that you can control from the front seat. So you have your climate controls, or your controls for your heated seats and your cooled seats, and your heated steering wheel right there. Uconnect has other apps that you can utilize, including Projection Manager, Travel Link, Wi-Fi hotspot, all that stuff. And then you have your climate controls here, and they are dual, so you can have different settings on each side. And then here's your navigation system, so you can get to your destination really easily without getting lost. And you have your phone settings here, so you can make phone calls. You also have a backup camera when you are in reverse, so you can see that those guidelines will help you when you're backing up, which is great in a minivan like this. So looking on down, have all of your climate controls, radio controls in button form. You also have an aux port, USB port, and then your insert for your Blu-ray, DVD, CD, all that stuff. And this drawer can pop out, lots of room down in the middle there, including a USB port and a 12 volt. You have 2 cup holders here, and then this little compartment slides open. You also have SOS Assist, which is subscribable, and then universal garage door openers, plus controls for your power sliding doors, and you also have a mirror so you can see into the back there. And then on your way out, you can see that this is equipped with a Harmon Kardon sound system. Okay, so looking in this back seat, you have a bench seat in the middle, so 3 passengers can fit here, and then you can fit 3 more in the back, so it seats 8 people total. One thing I love about this back seat is the Uconnect theater system. So you have 2 screens, and you can easily use whatever functions you want. So if you want to watch your movie using a disc, you can plug in an HDMI cord, so you can see your laptop. You have your USB port as well, all of your apps that come pre-installed. You can also stream directly onto the screen, so that's really cool. But you have tons of games that they can use on those pages, so that's really nice. You also have your climate controls right there, so you can adjust the temperature, and then you have all of your settings for your brightness and stuff as well. So tons of features inside of these. So here are those ports for your headphones, HDMI, and your USB. And then let's look into the third row. This does have stow and go, so you have a button that'll push your seat forward just like that, and then you can get into your compartments that are in the floor. So you can use these just as storage like they are, put some blankets down there or something, but you can also fold the seats in, and then you can have that flat surface right there, and then you can fold this back down and have it be flat. But you can see into that third row, you have 3 seats back there, cup holders on each side, and they are power tilting, so you can adjust that with the push of a button as well. So making your way around the side, you have your roof rack up top lip spoiler in the back, your LED tail lamps, and your back windshield wiper, along with your Limited and Pacifica badging. This also has a rear sensing system that will alert you to any objects behind your vehicle. And this has a power liftgate and remote start on your key fob. So you can see you have your 3 seats back here. And something that is super nice is that the third row is power folding. So fold the headrest down. I just want to stow the seats, and then it does it for me, so I don't have to mess around with folding them in myself. So overall, this vehicle is just amazing, just packed full with the latest technology, with your media center, and we have navigation and everything in there, plus tons of seating, so room for your whole family, and lots of storage space as well. And so then you can see how it looks with the third row folded down there. But if you want to see this Chrysler Pacifica or any of our other minivans, visit our website WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee's Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
And it,
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit, right?
What do you think differentiates Woodies from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in my lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.